Good morning, good morning, do 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 do. Good morning to you. Good morning, welcome to a daily dose of joy with an operatic puppy. We are here with the intention of choosing our dominant state of being, our dominant neurochemistry, our dominant thoughts by using and leveraging neuroscience and practicing these microdosing habits all throughout the day. We can do it. 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 There's so many things I want to share with y'all, but I'm going to do a whoopsie daisy this morning because a funny thing crossed my path. And then tomorrow I'll share some other stuff because there's just so much fun stuff to do. So I got a tweet about somebody sent me a funny, it was like a whoopsie daisy story. She was like, I read this, I thought it was like a whoopsie daisy story. It was an embarrassing moment, and it was somebody talking about walking up to a girl who was carrying a hamster and asking if she could pet the hamster, and then only to realize it was a muffin in the girl's hand. It was so good. A really funny one it reminded me of is, I may have told this to you guys before, but it reminded me of this story. Oh my gosh. This friend of mine who's all heart, I mean, she is love, right? And she was out on a walk with her daughter, and they rounded a corner, and she's like, oh my gosh, that lady is walking a monkey. We have a monkey in the neighborhood. This is so cool. And she starts kind of walking a little faster and like, hey. It's only when she and her daughter get a little closer, the daughter's like, Mom, she's walking a child. It's like a small toddler on one of those harnesses with a leash. My friend had to try and cover why she was flagging this woman down and talking about a monkey. Obviously, it still brings me great whoopsie daisy joy. It's like I said, my friend is just all heart. The last thing, she loves kids. The last thing she would do would be to call somebody's kid a monkey. Although maybe in a cute, adoring way. But not in I mistook your child for a monkey. Oh. Muffin hamsters. Monkey children. On leashes. Our worlds are full. Potentially embarrassing moments that can turn into a fun, joyful whoopsie daisy stories. Oh, amen, hallelujah, because Lord knows I've had me plenty of puppy whoopsie daisy stories. So it feels so good to prime my day with a little like, hey, you gotta laugh at it. Well, let's take 3. Oh. Mom, it's a kid. Let's take 3 solidarity breaths together. That little giggle just settle in. may today surprise and delight us. Have a wonderful one. This was a great example of how we can use our microdosing habits quick and on the fly. I'll be back with more tomorrow. See y'all then.